Hey there, science fans! Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the wonders and mysteries of the human body and mind. Today, we're diving into a subject that's not only fascinating from a scientific perspective, but also deeply important for millions of people around the world. That's right, we're talking about blindness. It's a topic that touches the lives of so many, whether directly or through friends and family. Blindness isn't just a medical condition, it's a unique way of experiencing the world, and it comes with its own set of challenges, adaptations, and stories of resilience. Imagine, just for a moment, what it would be like to live in a world without light, without the vibrant colors of a sunset, or the familiar faces of your loved ones. For those who are blind or visually impaired, this is their everyday reality. But it's important to remember that blindness isn't always total darkness. Some people see shadows, shapes, or light, while others may have no visual perception at all. The experience of blindness is as diverse as the people who live with it. Across the globe, over 40 million people are blind, and hundreds of millions more live with significant visual impairment. That's a huge number, and it means that in almost every community, there are people navigating the world in ways that sighted people might never have to consider. Whether it's using a white cane, a guide dog, or relying on the kindness of others, blind individuals develop incredible skills to move through life with confidence and independence. Everyday tasks that many of us take for granted, like pouring a glass of water, reading a book, or even crossing the street, can become major challenges. But thanks to advances in technology, there are now amazing tools and devices that help blind people live more independently. From braille books and tactile maps to screen readers and voice-activated assistants, technology is opening up new possibilities every day. Still, it's not just about gadgets and tools. Blindness can affect relationships, education, and employment. Imagine not being able to see the smile on a loved one's face, or having to learn to read with your fingertips instead of your eyes. Yet, despite these obstacles, blind people around the world are artists, athletes, scientists, and leaders. Their stories remind us that vision is only one way to experience the richness of life. But don't worry, science is on the case. Researchers and doctors are working tirelessly to understand the causes of blindness and to develop new treatments. From gene therapy and bionic eyes to stem cell research and advanced surgeries, the future holds incredible promise for restoring sight and preventing vision loss. Our eyes are truly remarkable organs. They capture light, focus it onto the retina, and send electrical signals to our brains, allowing us to see the world in all its beauty and complexity. But when something goes wrong, whether it's due to injury, disease, or genetics, those signals can be disrupted, leading to partial or complete vision loss. Sometimes the cause is something we can see, like a damaged retina or a cloudy lens. Other times, the problem is hidden deep within the eye or the brain. But no matter the cause, blindness is a challenge that science, technology, and the human spirit are working together to overcome. So let's keep exploring, keep learning, and keep supporting those who see the world in their own unique way. When we think about our eyes, we often take for granted just how complex and delicate they really are. But what happens when things go wrong? What are the reasons someone might lose their vision? And how do these problems actually develop? Today, let's take a closer look at what can go wrong with our eyes and why it's so important to understand these issues. Imagine your eye as a finely tuned machine made up of many intricate parts all working together in harmony. Just like a machine, if even one small component fails, the entire system can be thrown off balance. For example, if a gear in a clock breaks, the whole clock might stop working or start giving the wrong time. In the same way, if a part of your eye is damaged or stops working properly, your vision can be affected, sometimes in ways that are subtle, and sometimes in ways that are dramatic and life-changing. One of the most common problems that can lead to blindness is cataracts. Cataracts occur when the lens of your eye, which is normally clear, becomes cloudy. This cloudiness blocks light from passing through properly, making everything look blurry or dim. It's a bit like trying to look through a foggy window or a piece of frosted glass. Everyday activities like reading, driving, or even recognizing faces can become difficult or impossible. Cataracts often develop slowly over time, and while they are most common in older adults, they can sometimes affect younger people too, especially if there's been an injury or certain medical conditions are present. The good news is that cataracts can often be treated with surgery, where the cloudy lens is replaced with a clear artificial one, restoring vision for many people. Another major cause of vision loss is glaucoma. Glaucoma is a group of eye conditions that damage the optic nerve, the crucial cable that carries visual information from your eye to your brain. Think of the optic nerve like an electrical cord connecting a lamp to a power outlet. If the cord becomes frayed or damaged, the electricity can't flow properly, and the lamp might flicker or go out completely. In glaucoma, increased pressure inside the eye can slowly damage the optic nerve, often without any warning signs at first. That's why glaucoma is sometimes called the silent thief of sight. By the time you notice vision loss, the damage may already be significant and irreversible. Regular eye exams are essential for catching glaucoma early, when treatments can help slow or prevent further damage. Age-related macular degeneration, or AMD, is another leading cause of blindness, especially in people over the age of 60. The macula is the central part of the retina, the light-sensitive layer at the back of your eye that acts like the film in a camera, capturing images and sending them to your brain. When the macula is damaged, your central vision becomes blurry or distorted, making it hard to see fine details, read or recognize faces. Peripheral vision usually remains, but the loss of sharp central vision can be devastating. There are two main types of AMD, dry and wet. While there's no cure, certain treatments and lifestyle changes can help slow its progression and preserve vision for as long as possible. But these aren't the only things that can go wrong. Diabetes, for example, can lead to a condition called diabetic retinopathy, where high blood sugar damages the tiny blood vessels in the retina. Over time, this can cause bleeding, swelling, and even scarring, all of which threaten your sight. Early detection and good control of blood sugar are key to preventing serious vision loss from diabetic retinopathy. There are also genetic and inherited eye diseases, infections, injuries, and even certain medications that can harm your eyes. Sometimes vision loss happens suddenly, but more often it's a slow process that can go unnoticed until it's too late. That's why regular eye exams are so important, even if you think your vision is fine. Early detection and treatment can make all the difference in protecting your sight. Remember, your eyes are precious. Take care of them, and they'll take care of you. But hey, don't despair. Even though vision loss can feel overwhelming and isolating, there is a wave of hope on the horizon. Every day, people around the world wake up determined to make a difference in the lives of those affected by blindness. The journey to restore sight is filled with challenges, but it's also filled with incredible stories of resilience, innovation, and compassion. Scientists are like superheroes, always on the lookout for solutions. They work tirelessly behind the scenes, driven by curiosity and a deep desire to help others. In high-tech labs and bustling research centers, teams of experts from all backgrounds come together, combining their knowledge and creativity to tackle some of the toughest medical puzzles. Their dedication is unwavering, and their passion fuels groundbreaking discoveries that have the potential to change lives forever. Recently, there's been a major breakthrough, a potential game-changer in treating blindness. Imagine the excitement in the air as researchers realized their hard work was paying off. After years of experiments, setbacks, and late nights, they finally saw the first signs of success. This breakthrough isn't just a small step, it's a giant leap forward in the quest to restore vision to those who have lost it. The medical community is buzzing with anticipation, and patients everywhere are daring to hope again. Researchers have been hard at work studying a new treatment that could help restore vision. This innovative approach uses cutting-edge technology and a deep understanding of how the eye works. By targeting the root causes of blindness, scientists are developing therapies that could one day allow people to see the world in all its vibrant colors once more. The process involves countless hours of testing, analyzing data, and refining techniques. But the progress so far has been nothing short of remarkable. It's still early days, but the results so far are really encouraging. In initial clinical trials, patients have shown promising improvements, sparking hope not only among scientists, but also among families and communities affected by vision loss. These early successes are a testament to the power of perseverance and the importance of continued research. While there's still a long road ahead, each positive result brings us one step closer to a future where blindness may no longer be a life sentence. This new treatment focuses on a specific type of blindness called retinitis pigmentosa, or RP. RP is a particularly challenging condition, but it's also one where recent advances have shown the most promise. By zeroing in on the unique genetic and cellular factors that cause RP, scientists are developing targeted therapies that could slow, stop, or even reverse the progression of vision loss. RP is a genetic condition that causes the cells in the retina to slowly die off, leading to gradual vision loss. The retina is like the film in a camera, capturing light and sending images to the brain. When its cells begin to deteriorate, vision fades, often starting with night blindness and loss of peripheral vision. Over time, this can progress to complete blindness. But thanks to these new discoveries, there is renewed hope that one day, people with RP will be able to regain their sight and experience the world in ways they never thought possible. So, how does this groundbreaking treatment work? Well, it involves a technique called optogenetics. First, scientists use a harmless virus to deliver a special gene into the remaining retinal cells. This gene acts like a light switch, making the cells sensitive to light again. Then, patients wear special goggles that project patterns of light onto the retina. These light patterns stimulate the modified cells, sending signals to the brain, which interprets them as images. Now, imagine the possibilities. This treatment has the potential to help people with RP regain some level of vision. Think about it. Someone who could only see shadows before might be able to make out shapes and objects. They could navigate their homes more easily, recognize faces, even read large print. It's like giving someone a second chance to see the world, to reconnect with loved ones in a whole new way. This incredible breakthrough is the result of years of research and collaboration between brilliant minds from different fields. We're talking geneticists, ophthalmologists, engineers, a real dream team. These dedicated individuals have been working tirelessly, sharing their knowledge and expertise to push the boundaries of science and bring hope to millions. While this treatment is still in its early stages, the initial results are incredibly promising. Scientists are hopeful that with further research and development, it could become a widely available treatment for RP and other forms of blindness. Imagine a future where blindness is no longer a life sentence, where people have the chance to regain their sight and live full, independent lives. That's the vision that keeps these scientists going. And as the technology advances, who knows what other amazing breakthroughs await. For those living with blindness, this discovery offers a glimmer of hope, a chance to break free from the darkness. Imagine the joy of seeing your loved ones' faces for the first time, the awe of witnessing a sunset, the simple pleasure of reading a book. This treatment has the power to transform lives, to restore independence, and to bring light and color back into a world that had gone dim. The journey to conquer blindness is a marathon, not a sprint. But with each step forward, with every new discovery, we inch closer to a brighter future. A future where no one has to live in darkness. Keep those peepers peeled, science fans, because the future of sight is looking brighter than ever.